Welcome in your moral teaching class, children. Today you have to do question answers of lesson 14 of your moral teaching book, The Sesame Scholar. First question is, the Brahmin boy was very fond of studying Sanskrit, but why could he not memorize the difficult words of Sanskrit? Answer is, due to his weak memory, the Brahmin boy could not memorize the difficult words of Sanskrit. So children, Brahmin boy did not have a good memory. He tries learning Sanskrit words, but soon he forget them due to his weak memory. That's why he could not memorize the difficult words of Sanskrit. Second question, what did the Brahmin boy do to improve his Sanskrit? Answer is, what Brahmin boy do to improve his Sanskrit? Brahmin boy kept two bowls with him. One bowl full of sesame seeds and another empty one. Each time when he learnt a Sanskrit word, he used to put a sesame seed in the empty bowl. And by repeating this, he used to practice the same Sanskrit word over and over until the sesame-filled bowl became empty. Thus, he improved his Sanskrit. Now, third question, children. Whenever a scholar came from another place for a debate, why did the people select the Brahmin boy to speak for them? Answer, because of Brahmin boy's intelligence and knowledge, the people always select him to speak for them for any debate. So children, the people knew that the Brahmin boy would win the debate, as the people are aware about his wisdom and knowledge. That's why they always select him to speak for them for any debate. So these are the question answers of lesson 14. Do it in your empty copies. Thank you.